Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga kabeks na the best na view ever, yung pambungad pa lang ng modelo as in umaapaw na sa kaseksihan at kayamelicious. Yung bukol na bukol talaga yung mga muscles, yung abs, as in fit na fit talaga yung underwear niya na puting-puting. Ito pa, pang the best na talaga na as in yung view talaga ang showcase ng kanyang pangatawan, as in hagod na hagod ang dating, as in pak na pak, swak na swak talaga, as in mapapanunok laway na lang yun ka to tell you honestly, as in the best na the best talaga ang dating, ang view ng showcase, as in swak na swak talaga, as in astig na astig talaga yung pangangatawan ni Kuya. The best options ever talagang dating, as in manglulumo ka na lang talaga sa kaseksihan at kayamelicious, as in showcase yung underwear, pangatawan, as in hot na hot talaga. Oh my god, ito pang si Kuyang si Kuya nakaputi yung nakapula yung boxer, as in showcase talaga yung pangatawan ng bukalicious at tenderlicious ng kanyang muscles, abs, as in to the highest level talaga ang dating. My god, may pabukol-bukol pa talaga sa lower portion itong si Kuya, guys. The best talaga ang view, as in mapa side view or mapa lower portion man yan, astig na astig, moreno hot na hot talaga ang hagod, as in mapapatitig na lang talaga, as in to the highest talaga si Kuya, guys. Oh my god, isa pa itong si Koreano, as in the best na division options niya, guys. Yung lower portion niya as in astig na astig talaga, as in pang international din ang dating, as in yamelicious talaga, as in luluhod ka na lang talaga to tell you honestly. Wow, grabe yung pabukol ng outdoor pictorials ni Kuyang Bagets. Oh my god, isa pa ito si Kuya, may pa lower